The success of Tandemloc's safety program and many years of SHARP Award achievement are among our company's most gratifying accomplishments. By pursuing safety at all levels within the manufacturing environment, we take seriously the well-being of our employee and customers. We pride ourselves in providing our staff with a safe working environment and our customers with safe, quality-driven products that meet or exceed industry and OSHA safety requirements and regulations. For many years, Tandemloc and its employees have partnered with consultants within OSHA's Small Business Safety and Health Achievement Recognition Program, or SHARP. OSHA defines this program as one that recognizes small business employers who have used OSHA's on-site consultation program service and operate exemplary safety and health programs. Our well-established and time-tested safety program has provided Tandemloc with a strong foundation for safety and allowed us to achieve OSHA's prestigious SHARP Award for 13 consecutive years and running. We have seen a significant decrease in work-related injury and loss of time, just one of the many benefits to the strong safety program. We are pleased to announce that as of the second quarter 2022, Tandemloc has seen over 1,085 days, or approximately 4 years, of zero employee loss of time work-related injuries. Tandemloc employees work within a safe operational environment. Few hazards mean healthier and happier employees.
Once employers lead by example, employees tend to follow, and when employees lead by example, other employees tend to follow.
Benefits of a quality safety program are, the number one benefit is that employees go home at the end of the day in the same condition that they came.
At Tandemloc, we have found that when a safe working environment is prioritized, employees are encouraged to effectively communicate with management and one another. This results in increased company morale, productivity, and product quality, ultimately providing a safe, high-quality product for our customers. There are many beneficial reasons to strive for a solid safety program, but the most important is that of Tandemloc employees' health and safety. And that is why we will continue to strive to maintain our SHARP Award status year after year. If you want more information about Tandemloc, you can visit our website at tandemloc.com. You can also reach us by emailing info@tandemloc.com or calling 1-800-258-7324.